In this video, I'm going to give you 10 journal prompts, and you can follow along with the video. So grab your journal and a pen, and let's get started. I'm going to give you about 30 seconds to 1 minute on each journal prompt. They're quick questions, so they shouldn't take too much time. This is just a new style of video that I'm trying out to see if people like these. I thought it would give people a nice, fun little way to do prompts other than just having a piece of paper with questions on them. There'll be pictures, so it might inspire you in some other ways. So let's get started. What positive quality can I find about something I don't want to do today, but have to do anyway? All right, moving on to the next one. What type of art do I appreciate and why? And the next one is, what is one piece of clothing I appreciate? And the next one is, what do I appreciate about the music I listen to? And the next one is, what do I appreciate about the city I live in? And the next one is, what can I appreciate about me today? And the next one is, what food do I really appreciate and why? And the next one is, what is one good thing that happened in my life today? And the next one is, what do I appreciate about the home I live in? And the last one is, what is one object, person, or place I truly love right now? All right, thank you so much for watching this video and taking part in journal prompts. I'm gonna check the comments and see if anybody really enjoyed these. I will make more of them unless I hear otherwise. I know a lot of people would rather have them written down and then just, take your time writing them, but I just thought this would be a nice little different, unique way to do journal prompts. And this gives me some ideas for videos because I've got lots and lots of journal prompts. So let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this video and be sure to like and subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next video.